Hello dear students, please take out your science books. Let us do this next part, which is explore more. This is an additional information which you should know. Okay. In this lesson we will come to know about what is matter and what matter is made up of. In class 3, you all have learnt that matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter is anything that has mass and it occupies space. Like the sketch pen is also a matter. It has some mass and it is occupying some space. You have also learnt that matter exists in 3 states. What are the 3 states of matter? Solid, liquid and gas. The 3 states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. But these 3 states of matter, what they are made up of, we will come to know in this lesson. You have learnt that everything is made of matter, but as you must have guessed, all matter is not the same. Gold is different from iron. Gold, which is a solid, is different from iron, which is another solid. Say an oxygen is different from carbon dioxide. Oxygen, which is a gas, is different from carbon dioxide. To know why this is so, we have to learn what matter is made up of. Atoms and molecules. All matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. We cannot see atoms because they are so small that millions of them fit into a tiny speck of dust. There are more than 100 different types of atoms. All matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Matter is made up of very tiny particles, whether it is solid, whether it is liquid, or whether it is gas. All are made up of very tiny particles known as atoms. If you will take a glass of water, even that is made up of very tiny particles called atoms. If you will take a balloon filled with gas, it is also made up of, the gas is also made up of very tiny particles called atoms. Atoms are very small. We cannot see the atoms. Even in a tiny speck of dust, even the dust particles are made up of atoms. Okay. The different types of atoms makes up different types of substances. In this world, there are many substances found. Even the sketch pen, it is also made up of atoms. Even this book is also made up of atoms. Different types of substances are made up of different types of atoms. The atoms that makes up gold, for example, are different from the atoms that makes up iron. That is not all. Atoms join to form molecules, and molecules form still other different types of substances. That is how there are so many different types of substances. My dear children, you all should know that atoms join together to form molecules. The atoms, they join together to form molecule. Atoms join together to form molecule. I hope you have understood. The atoms, they join together to form molecule. Understood? And when many molecules will join, they will form an entirely new substance. When many molecules join, they form entirely new substance. That means atoms will join to form molecules, and molecules will join to form a new substance. Understood? Okay. Now, next part, elements. The substances that are formed of only one kind of atoms are called elements. Elements are the substances consisting of only one kind of atoms. Only one kind of atoms. Matlab, they don't have different types of atoms in it. For example, iron, gold, silver, aluminium, copper, oxygen, carbon, calcium, and iodine are some elements. These elements consist of only one kind of atom. Whether it is gold, whether it is aluminium, whether it is copper, whether it is calcium, oxygen, they consist of only one kind of atom. Okay? The atom in an element can be on their own, or they can join to form molecules, but these molecules are made up of same kind of atoms. See, either atoms they may remain alone, or they may join together to form molecules. They may either remain alone or they may join together to form molecules, but these two will be the same atom, atoms of the same element. Understood? Wait, I'll explain it to you. First, let me I will read this part, then I'll explain. The atoms of some elements such as iron, copper, carbon, copper and gold prefer to be on their own, and atoms of some elements such as oxygen and hydrogen join to form molecules. Oxygen and hydrogen molecules are made up of two atoms. For example, if I will take the example of gold. Gold is made up of only one kind of atoms, and the atoms they remain alone. They remain on their own. They are made up of only, gold is made up of only one kind of atoms, and these atoms they remain alone. They remain alone means they remain on their own, just as it is given in the book. You can see here carbon atoms. Okay, the carbon atoms also they remain on their own. They are existing alone. They do not combine with other atom. Okay. Gold consists of only one kind of atoms, and these atoms remain alone. But in case of oxygen is also made up of one kind of atoms, but it exists in the form of two atoms combined together. That means in an oxygen, two atoms they combine together to form one molecule of oxygen. That means two atoms of oxygen they join together to form one molecule of oxygen. Two atoms of oxygen join together to form one molecule of oxygen. Same is the case with hydrogen. The two atoms of hydrogen join together to form one molecule of hydrogen. That means oxygen will never have one atom of oxygen remaining alone. One atom will never have one atom alone. It will always have two atoms joined together in the form of molecules. Gold will have one atom. The molecule of gold will have only one atom existing independently, but molecule of oxygen will have two atoms joined together. One molecule of oxygen will always have two atoms joined together. I hope you have understood. So my dear students, we will do till here only, and I will upload the next part. We will do from here in the next part. Okay.